more words. See, home plus work. Home work is a noun. We are joining two words to make this word homework. If we join the two words, we get a new word. I'll tell you some examples. Homework, hot dog, 6-year-old. There are three types of compound noun. Closed form, open form, hyphenated form. In closed form, there will be no gap in words. See, homework. There is no gap between the words. But in open form, there is a gap between the words. See, hot space dog. In hyphenated form, we add hyphens between the words. 6-year-old. I'll tell you some examples for closed form. Keyboard. For open form, full moon. And for hyphenated form, sons-in-law. In plural form of compound word, if there is only one word, we add s at the back. But if there are two or more words, we add s to the noun. See, full moons. Moon is a noun here. So, we added s to moon. In sons-in-law, son is a noun. So, we added s to sons. That becomes sons-in-law. But if we write it in possessive form of compound nouns, we add apostrophe f. See, keyboards, full moons, son-in-laws. Now, let's see formation of compound nouns. Compound nouns are formed by different combinations of the parts of the speech. Let's see the combinations. Adjective plus adjective forms a way. Example, golden yellow. Adjective plus noun. Example, blackboard. Adjective plus verb also forms a way. See, dry cleaning. Noun plus noun forms a way. Fish tank. Noun plus preposition. Example, passerby. Noun plus verb. Example, haircut. Preposition plus verb is one way. Overthrow. Preposition plus noun is also a way. Underwater. Verb plus noun a way. Swimming pool. Verb plus preposition is also a way. Draw back. Hope you understood the formation of compound nouns and the topic of compound nouns.